Hey everyone, this is Simon with Food Travelers. In this mini episode, we are doing a room tour at the Peninsula, Phnom Penh. The hotel is actually a service condo that also operates as a hotel and is located in the satellite city of Chroy Chongva, just east of the central part of the city. I was located on the 12th floor, and as you can see entering from the video, the lights in the hallway are motion sensitive and it seemed a bit fickle, so as they were going on and off while I was trying to film in the hallway, it made it kind of odd. As you enter the door, the kitchen is located off to the right. At the furthest end of the kitchen is the refrigerator. The room included 4 bottles of water, 2 which were located in the kitchen counter, and the other 2 which were inside of the fridge, which was nice, as those were nice and cold as I came into the room. The fridge was also a standard size one, especially by Western standards, rather than the smaller ones that you typically see in rooms in Southeast Asia. Next to the fridge is the washing machine, which is also the typical spot you'll find it in Asia, unless it's located outside on the balcony, where it is also a spot that may be placed. The cabinets contain various dishes and cups that could be used, which is very convenient for any long stays, as you wouldn't have to worry about getting any kitchenware to use if you had plans to make any food at home. The cabinets were also soft closing, which was nice. Moving down the counter was the microwave and the induction stove. Something unique about the unit was that it included an oven, which is not something you really see too often, as most people don't bake at home. Next to the oven were the pull-out drawers where the silverware were located, which also included chopsticks and Asian soup spoons. As we move back towards the entrance, when coming in on the left-hand side is the storage cabinet where you can store your shoes, umbrellas, or anything else that is more convenient to place near the door. And located just past the entrance is the dining area with a table and 4 chairs. And just beyond that was a door located in between the master bedroom and the second bathroom. I found out a little later that the room was an indoor drying room. The living room is located right next to the balcony and had a couple of couches, including a long one that was more than enough for me to stretch out with extra space. Next is the first bedroom. It was a good size and included a queen bed as well as a flat screen TV. I think the most interesting part of the room was that sitting area next to the window that kind of seemed like a good spot to kind of lounge and read a book while being able to kind of enjoy the view outside. And this view was looking towards the north. Right next to the first bedroom was the main bathroom. Included were your typical hotel items, including towels, toiletries, a good-sized mirror, a toilet with bum gun, and standing shower with raindrop shower head. The view out the window was also to the north, and as you can see, pulling the blinds up, especially holding the camera in one hand, was not that easy. Next is the master bedroom, which has a king-size bed and is also an ensuite with its own bathroom. This was a decent sized room with large windows that were slightly curved on that left side, as well as being floor to ceiling. The view from these windows were great, as you were able to kind of see across the river to the west side where the main parts of the city was. There's also a large closet with kind of the usual safe and bathrooms available. At the time of filming, I booked the 1-bedroom deluxe room for $60 per night. However, upon checking in, I was given a free upgrade to the business twin room, which was a 104 square meter or 1,119 square foot room, and it included 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. Just to the right of the master bedroom door is the door to the master bath. It was a little smaller than the main bathroom and included most of the same items provided in the main bathroom. However, the master bath had a tub. Also included was a raindrop shower, which was nice, but I noticed there wasn't a shower curtain, so I actually ended up taking showers in the other bathroom, as if I had used this one, the water would have splashed everywhere. Next is the balcony, which faced to the west and the city center of Phnom Penh. The balcony doors were two sliding doors that were easy to kind of lock or unlock. The balcony was a very nice size, with probably enough space for 6 or more people to kind of stand around comfortably. The views were also really pretty spectacular, especially at night when all the lights were turned on. Right in the center, you can see there's the Freshie amusement park that has kind of a small carnival rides, foods, and games. When the doors were closed, the unit was nice and quiet, but if you had it open, you'd be able to kind of hear the ambience from outside of the city, including the park itself, and hearing all the screams and people kind of enjoying themselves in the music. Tucked in between the Mekong and Tonle Sap rivers, the hotel offers the unique ability to be away from the hustle and bustle of Phnom Penh, while also just being mere minutes away when you need to get into the heart of the city in a pinch. Now the amenities. The hotel offered a nice range of them, including a sky gym on the 22nd floor. The gym was a very nice size with all the exercise equipment you would need for both cardio and weightlifting, as well as ample yoga space. Also located on the 22nd floor is the Sky Pool, Sky Garden, and Sky Restaurant. The views from up here were awesome, as you can pretty much see the 360 degrees of Phnom Penh. The pool is an infinity pool that overlooks to the west side. The garden was spread out throughout the floor and had various spots to kind of look out into the city. The restaurant is open from 5 p.m. and serves various kind of Western foods. So if you do decide to stay at this place, make sure you come up during the day as well as night to see the amazing views.
And to support our channel, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the YouTube algorithm. And for more photos, follow us on Instagram. See you guys on the next episode.